We gotta hurry. Not this again. I am king on the world. The world is mine. You're not gonna win with this. Oh, just please make a Godzilla. Urdayu, why you take it from us? Stop right there. So, is it the deal, Optimus Prime? For the one last time. Not today, sir. Come up to fight me! Come up to fight me, Doctor! Oh, my bananas!
No, I'm working so hard. Okay?
You asked for it.
And this is
Wait.
done.
Calling Robot Mario. I am Robot Mario. Robot Mario Bros. It's Super Mario. Robot Mario Bros. This is not Robot Mario Bros. This is Super Mario Bros. Robot Mario. Kill him. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You asked for it. Not gonna talk, huh?
Teddy bear, teddy bear, teddy bear, teddy bear.
You asked for it. I'm gonna join to kill you.
Let's go to the...
Oh, no.
This one is the
You asked for it.
Then now he's broken.
Alright. Let's get it up this one. Huh? What the? I to take down your fridge, Godzilla.